All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Dodge Charger. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful black with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, heated seats, dual exhausts, fog lights. This car is nice, only 10,000 miles. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread. Just at 630 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And tire thread is 630 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. No dings, dents, or anything up there. Very nice. You got power windows, power doors, your power mirrors. It's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. I was gonna say turn it on for you guys, but it already is. Got your AM, FM, CD player, honest, and all that good stuff right there. You got your heated seats. Boom. You hit your dimmer. Nice. Got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC control now that I look at it. Very nice. It does come with two keys. Two key fob combos. Boom. And owner's manual still wrapped up, by the way. All right, you got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for airbag light on, and you got your tire pressure light on, and your mileage of 10,643. Car looks good. Open up the trunk. Keeping it moving. Here is your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper looks good. Your rear deck lid looks pretty damn nice. Do have a spare tire here with some tools. You got your owner's manuals there. You got your cargo netting, your front license plate bracket. Super nice. Your lift gate. Deck lid looks good. Quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here either. Your tire thread is 530 seconds. I'm going to double check that bad boy. That's 530 seconds. This door looks good. The other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have it rear AC vents. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Fender here looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. I don't see any curbing in your tire thread. Is low for some crazy reason. Let me double check that. It's low. It's 230 seconds. Let's see it again. Yeah, it's around 330 seconds, folks. All these lights are working, things are running, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Dodge Charger SXT model. It's beautiful black on black with 10,000 miles. You guys have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding, folks.